I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't want to believe my feelings for you. I didn't want to believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you. I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through? 'Cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks. I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. 'Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing that I was next to you. Oh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking that this is not a need or a must, but love has treated me so wrong. This year all I've got to show are songs, and I want to be super duper true to you, but God, I don't know what to do. 'Cause last year I was just 22. Feels like it up and flew so far away and out of you, but 23 seems like me and you. 'Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking this is not a need or a must. I've been dreaming of us. I know sometimes I make you feel insane. Sorry, that's just how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child and disobey all that you want from me and that you say. I'm sorry, baby. Please, puppy. I'm trying to be ultra mega happy and show you my smile and send you my feelings. And fuck, it is so hard being so damn far. I guess I'll just stay here and stay singing in my car. I'll sing in my car. I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking this is not a need or a must, but I've been waiting on you. Ooh, I've been waiting for you to tell me those 3 words too. 'Cause I've been hoping it's true. Ooh, that one day I feel like I am something real for you. I've been dreaming of us. Something real for you. Something real for you. Something real for you. Something real for you.
말로 어디로 가는지도 몰랐어 3일 처음 만났었고 우린 낯설었고 언제 그랬냐는 듯 껴안은 채 괜찮단 말도 없이 난 어떻게든 될 거라고 난 그냥
This is me losing to the rapids. Take it back, moving ever faster. Check front, no, never going backwards. I peep whatever is disastrous. We fight, we talk and make it up. You jump in ship when it gets rough. I can't ever just be enough for you. Matter of fact, I can't even afford you. I saw the way you look at him. I seen your eyes trying to hide your thought. Wanted to get with the truth and your lies were afoot, keeping me down no matter how I fought. I noticed that the us and trust was you and I and my suicide. Never going back, never check the past. Sorries never matter, promises don't last. I know that the fire burning wasn't wrong, but a perfect match. We were too good for each other so much that we burned too fast. Left in ash, iodine diet. You made me salty just for fun. And throughout explanations of my expectations, you could never learn to love. We can't go from whence we came. I know that you won't try that hard. I'm wounded by my battle scars.
처음 만났었고 우린 낯설었고 언제 그랬냐는 듯 껴안은 채 아프단 말도 없이 난 처음이란 말로 어디로 가는지도 몰랐어 3일 처음 만났었고 우린 낯설었고 언제 그랬냐는 듯 껴안은 채 괜찮단 말도 없이 난 어떻게든 될 거라고 난 그냥 믿었지
I think I might have spent my whole damn life in love with somebody. But hopelessly you don't miss me on the way back round to the house party. Made a stop at the store, got whiskey galore, and I drank that shit till my eyes can't see. Broke down ice machine, it was meant to be cold, but I drink enough, it feels warm to bleed. You were warning me about bad decisions, but you made it worse in this bad religion like Scientology. I ain't gotta be mixing up with this bad addiction. Treat popping pills like a competition when you popping off about how you miss on my Adderall up some bad addition. My window stuck on an old edition. We've been staring at the same shit, but it don't look right to me. You cut my image out of your group photo, frame me for it and blasted me, but I still feel like I can't ignore it. Flag waving my face so casually, don't want another casualty. And actually I'm so proud to see that we came far enough from our hometown. See it for ourselves that it's going down. All up on your phone, I've been calling just to lay around. I don't wanna talk, so I think I gotta say it now. I'm crazy for you.
처음 만났었고 우린 낯설었고 언제 그랬냐는 듯 껴안은 채 아프단 말도 없이 난 처음이란 말로 어디로 가는지도 몰랐어 숨이 헐떡거릴 만큼 너는 뜨거웠고 멈춰지지 않아 참 곤란했었지 괜찮단 말도 없이 난 어떻게든 될 거라고 난 그냥 믿었지
Everyone's lining up to see her.
She's a Mona Lisa Everyone's lining up to see her There must be something about her features You'll find her beauty goes much deeper Once you get to meet her You see her walking down the boulevard She got the posture of a superstar She looks so fly in those Gucci slides Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise Yeah And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever She lives a double life, puts on a show What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know She's a Mona Lisa Everyone's lining up to see her There must be something about her features You'll find her beauty goes much deeper Once you get to meet her She's a Mona Lisa Everyone's lining up to see her There must be something about her features You'll find her beauty goes much deeper Once you get to meet her
Let me paint a picture I see they don't understand Feeling like Picasso She brushing against my hands Seen you from around the way You didn't give me the time of day You be making moves that yeah Who really care what Simon say All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad Whoa, slow it down like that Just hold me down like that
She's a Mona Lisa Everyone's lining up to see her There must be something about her features
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you. I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through? 'Cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future, 'cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. 'Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this bed. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending. For too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, hey.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up. When me and you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking goofy videos and walking through the park, you would jump into my arms every time you heard a bark. Cuddle in your sheets, sang me sound asleep, and sneak out through your kitchen at exactly 1:03. Sundays went to church, and Mondays watched a movie. Soon you'll be alone, sorry that you have to lose me. For too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and down out of bed.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and down out of bed.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee. You've really caught my eye. I'm usually not this shy, but my heart's going through some kind of change. You see, we've always been just friends, but lately these feelings for you have gotten in the way.
shit? When does it